I designed, built, and programmed this autonomous 3D printer. The 3D printer features a novel conveyor belt mechanism that allows the machine to independently eject print jobs. This means the printer can produce a constant stream of parts without any human interaction. I wrote a desktop application for managing the printer's print jobs. With this software application, users can upload, edit, and remove print jobs from the print queue in real time. I strongly believe my hybrid mechanical, machining, and software skill set will be of use to your lab. I'm an engineer that is able to quickly CAD robots, precisely machine robot components, and I can code as well. My 3D printer has an infinite printing mode. When switched into this mode, the printer can print extremely long parts. Printing on a 45-degree angle can also optimize the shear forces. This project has been popular in the 3D printing community. My latest video of this printer has received over 500,000 views. In addition to demonstrating my technical skills, this project shows my understanding that success in robotics relies on iteration. I went through many design cycles while building this machine. Thank you for considering my application. I would love to talk in more detail about any potential opportunities.